Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to writing a programs in Python to printing the sum of first and natural number, where n is your choice. What the number you want to their sum. Okay. So basically there have two methods. One method is best, and you have familiar with this method. That is formula based. Whatever I have. uh, study the formula to finding the sum of first natural number. That concept we can use, or we can also use for loop to finding the sum of first and natural number. Okay, first we go through with formula, and second we go through with a for loop. Both the process are easy, so that's why I'm going both of that. Now all things depend upon you which method you want to prefer, or or the questions which I have, which the questions that the university asks at that point of view, they depend. If they want to print the number with formula, then you can go through that. If they told that printing the natural number using for loop, then you can also go from that process also. So it's just all depend upon you. Okay, I am discussing both of you. Let's start. Very simple code in Python. All the codes almost be simple and concise. So don't worry to their length. It's much less complicated. First of all, we have to given the user defined users input. That is in that is what input not a data type, and we use input functions to enter users, and we enter a number. Okay, enter number, and one second, is one parenthesis missed out. And now we directly use formula what we have study in our class 10th and 11th. Formula is sum of first and natural number is n into n plus 1 by 2. That is the concept I have used. I will use what I have studied, now I will use n into n plus 1, all right, by 2. The simple approach, now print sum of first mm, and natural number we have to declare. Okay, that's it. We are done with this. So the things is very crispy, and with this we are done. Now we can run the code. Enter a number, let's say 5. It's a small number. Yes, when you are going to adding the sum of first 5 natural number, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 2 14, and 14 plus 1 15. It is a first 5 natural number sum, and the output is same. So our approach is clear and correct. Okay, this is a formula based concept. Now we are using for loop, and for loop is also a much easy. No need to, things will change from here. First of all, we have to initialize with sum is equal to 0. Okay, we initialize with sum is equal to 0, and here we will using a for loop. For आई हमारा इटरेशंस होगा, कितने नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स हमें लूप्स को इटरेट करना होगा, वो हमारा इटरेशन में काम आएगा इन रेंज। 1 minute for I in range. All right. Once it must start with 1 and goes till n plus 1. Okay, done. And we are increment the value of the sum. Total value of sum will be increment after every iteration. Sum is equal to, you can write sum plus I. Okay. I hope you are understand what I'm saying. And with this, we are done almost. Now here I am explaining you what I have done. I think you can't understand. Let's suppose we have first iteration, right? So what I will do? Uh, Iteration number one is one, and value of I is one. What we do? Sum is equal to sum plus one. करेंगे. We will do sum plus one. Initially, sum is 0 plus I, that is 1, equal to 1. I am explaining here. This is a explaining part. Okay. Now our sum is 1. Okay. Now again we iterate our loops 2. Okay. And sum is 1. So total sum is 3. There is 3. Again, we highlight this. Now our sum is updated 3. And we again iterates our increase our the it increments our iteration. Now our iterations will be 3. Okay. And sum had already 3 store, 3 plus 3, that is 6. Now our sum stored the value 6. Now our iterations goes increasing, and iteration number is 4, and the sum is stored 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. Again our iteration is has to 10, and iteration will be 5. 5 plus 10, that is 15. And from 1 to 5 the sum is goes reach to 15, and that's the output I have shown when we are writing the code with formula. The same things will be again shown in a output. Let me check first, and during output I will enter number 5. Then if the output is 15, then our answer is correct, and our the implementation of code is also correct. Let me check. Yes, sum of first natural number is 15, and the same things, same result comes. So both, from both method we can get same result. So now your choice, which method are like, which method you easily understand, that you can use. So for now, this is enough. Thank you.